Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi Map App. First, you'll want to download the application from your preferred app store, whether it's for Android or iOS. Once installed, open the app and grant it access to your location. This is crucial for finding nearby hotspots. Consider creating a free account to save your favorite locations and contribute to the community. It's a simple setup that takes just a minute or two, getting you ready to explore millions of available connections. Once set up, the app's main screen presents an interactive map showing over 150 million Wi-Fi hotspots worldwide. You can easily zoom in on your current location or search for a different area. Use the filter options to refine your search, perhaps looking for free, open networks or those with high user ratings. Tapping on a hotspot icon will bring up a detail screen, providing essential information like the network name, password, and helpful user comments. After selecting a hotspot, the app will display the Wi-Fi name and password, if available. You can then manually connect through your device's settings or use the in-app Connect button when in range. If you're far, the app offers guided navigation to lead you directly to the location. Remember, this community-driven app thrives on contributions. You can easily add new hotspots or update outdated information to help others. A fantastic feature is the ability to download offline maps for specific regions. This means you can find Wi-Fi hotspots even when you have no internet connection, which is perfect for travelers. For added security, the app includes a built-in VPN to protect your online privacy, especially on public networks. You can also use the speed test tool to check the performance of any Wi-Fi connection, ensuring a fast and stable internet experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.